My name is Rashri from AI&DS department from Kalinar Karunanidhi Institute of Technology. Today we are going to see the one type of protocol, long range wide area network protocol. This protocol mainly designed for the IoT devices. So LoRa WAN, long range wide area network. Long range wide area network is a communication protocol designed specially for the IoT devices that needs to send small amounts of data over long distance while consuming very little power. So it sends the data up to 10 to 15 kilometers in rural areas and 2 to 5 kilometers in urban areas. So low power devices can run for years in a single battery. So very low power consumption devices also use this protocol for sending the data. So, this technology consists of low power and wide area network protocol built on long range modulation useful for securing dependable bidirectional IoT communication, and it provides then end-to-end encryption to deliver advanced security features at scale. So long range wide area network ranges reaching up to 10 millions. These technologies supplies a more economical choice compared to the cellular technologies in the remote areas. So next is, what are the key features of the long range wide area network? Long range, first it supports a communication over several kilometers. Low power, devices can last 5 to 10 years on small batteries. Which device can use only small battery that up to it we can use up to 5 to 10 years? That devices also use this protocol. Low data rate, optimized for the small packets of the data. Next, scalable, can connect thousands of the devices in a single gateway. Secure, it provides end-to-end encryption with AES 128. And next, license-free bands, uses unlicensed ISM bands. Here, long range wide area network uses the unlicensed ISM bands. So next is a long range wide area network architecture. So this is the end devices. End device connected to the gateway. That gateway connected to the network server, and to the network server to the application server. So end devices mean nothing but IoT devices, smoke alarm, water meter, like that, vending machines, gas monitoring. These are the end devices. These devices send the data to the gateway. Between the end devices and gateway, long range wide area network protocol is used here. So next is the gateway to network server. It can use the TCP/IP protocol. So next is a network server. Network server collect all the data from the gateways. So that network server display the information to the particular application server. So here network server and the application server uses the TCP/IP protocol. So overall here using the AES end-to-end encryption method is used here in this architecture. Next. So what are the next is the end devices. The device collect the data from the environment. That is called the end devices or the sensors. So next is then we can see that gateways. So long range wide area network gateways acting as a bridge. Gateways receive the data from the multiple devices and send to the network server, and also send the command to the end devices. Next is a network server. Network server manage the device authentication, security, and data routing. It receives the data from the gateway and forwarded to the application servers. Next is an application server. Application server processes the data received from the network server. So it enabling integration, analysis, and visualizations, and it can display in the application server to the users. So how it works in this architecture diagram. First is an uplink. Uplink means device to server. So first at the end device send the data packet to them to the server. So the packet picked up one or more gateways within particular range. That is called uses with the help of the uplink. Next is a gateway. Gateway means it can be used to the network server. The gateway forward the received packet to the network server. So it acts like a bridge from the end devices to the network server. It is useful to forward the received packet to the network server. Next is the network server to application server. Application server, so network server authenticates the packets and routes to the application server processing. Next is a downlink. So not downlink means server to the devices. First we see that the device to server we can use uplink. Next is the downlink. Downlink means server to devices. Server to network server can also send the data to the end devices. So next is in communication process. Communication process, data transmission, gateway relaying, network server processing, application server utilization. First we can see the data transmission. End devices transmit the data to the gateways. Next, this to the long range wide area network protocol. So next is the gateway relaying. Gateway relaying gateways receive the data from the multiple end devices and forward to the network server. Next, network server processing. Network server processing validates and processes the data before sending data to the application layer. Application server utilization. Application server utilizes the data from the various purposes such as monitoring, analysis, and control and visualization. Next, what are the advantages we are using in the IoT? Cost effective, wide range of application, low maintenance, easy deployment. So what are the application we can create with the help of the long range wide area network protocol? Means smart cities. In the smart cities we can use the smart parking, street lighting, waste management. Next, agriculture, soil moisture monitoring, crop tracking, etc. Industrial IoTs, and smart water, gas, smart and electricity metering. We can use the long range wide area network. Next, we can use in the healthcare department. Patient monitoring in the remote areas, we can use this long range wide area network. Thank you.